Hello everyone, welcome back or welcome to Archie's Corner if you're new here. Ever since I had visited IKEA store at Belgium, I fell in love with their products and was eagerly waiting for their launch in India. Finally, the wait is over and IKEA has opened its store at Namma, Bengaluru. So we took a trip to our favorite store the first day of the opening itself. For people coming by metro, it's just a 2 minutes walk from the metro station.
This moment, can we stay here forever? I'm loving.
Once we reached the entrance area, we got into the escalator and went to first floor. After entering, the first thing we checked out was a map. It has two large floors to explore.
Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
The showroom is located at the first floor, and here you can get to see how you can use IKEA furnitures and other items at each and every section of the house. Separate and dedicated stations for each space is provided so that we can get to see how we can customize and decorate the space as per our need.
Things complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling. I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
The showroom is huge, and I highly suggest you to pay this area a visit before going furniture shopping because you'll get a lot of decor ideas and save yourself from buying furniture and other home goods that you don't really need. It'll take at least 1 or 2 hours to get through all the showroom stations. There are like 20 stations categorized as dining, kitchen, bedroom, living room, toilet and bath, etc.
I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
By the way, IKEA has designed their stores in such a way that a customer has to pass through all the stations before the exit. They want people to spend more time in the store, thus increasing the chance of more sales.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
Once you're done visiting the showroom, you can head towards a restaurant which is available at the same floor. IKEA's restaurant is primarily self-service except for the payment and hot meals area. So you'll have to take one of the 3 layered carts, put trays and get your utensils. First to your right is the cold food section. There is salad, desserts, juices and water. Next is the hot meals area. This is where you will order the meatballs and the rest of hot meals. Right before you exit, you will see the bread and pastry section, also the soup section. And then you head towards the cashier, pay and exit.
Stay here forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't.
After having food, burn all those calories by going around the market hall, which is available at the ground floor. This is the area where you can buy a majority of the furniture and all of the home goods.
Wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling. I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
Shopping at IKEA is somewhat different and exciting as compared to everyday retail stores. It is all about experiencing solutions firsthand and getting to know ideas that can fit perfectly to your home.
Together, if I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm
There's a reason beyond the affordable everyday low prices that draw us to IKEA. On a visit to the immersive store, a whole day can easily go by before you realize it. An on-site restaurant serves breakfast, lunch and dinner, and if you get hungry, all you have to do is to go and grab your favorite food.
I'm looking, and I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever. Forever.
The furnitures at IKEA are simple and aesthetically pleasing, and purchasing furnitures at IKEA will be a different experience altogether. This is the part that might confuse a lot of first timers because we are so used to pointing at a furniture and having a customer representative pull out the furniture for us. At IKEA, you do it all by yourself. If you see something you like at the showroom, take pictures of the tags because you need to know the rack and section numbers indicated on the tag. Then you head towards the ground floor, go to the self-service furniture area. If you are going to buy huge cabinets, you may need to get one of the flat carts. They are available by the entrance of the self-service furniture areas. Now look for the section first and then find the rack or the location of the furniture in the section. Take the furniture you need. If you have a bad back or for some reason unable to carry heavy things, request for assistance. Now pay for your items at the counter. You have the option to DIY the furniture or let IKEA put it together for a fee. You also have the option to have the item delivered. Option is available to get the furniture customized as well.
Forever, forever.
So if you're at Bangalore, do pay a visit to this awesome store at Nagasandra and I'm sure you'll not be disappointed. That's it for today's video, and I'll be posting another video on the items which we purchased from IKEA. I'll see you with that soon. So take care and happy shopping.
How much I love you. I put your favorite song